Okay guys, samahan niyo akong mag-pack ng mga beaded pens. Okay, so ganito lang ang ginagawa. So binili ko tong packaging na ito. Ganyan. So lalagay mo lang siya dito. Ganyan, like that. So, tada! Okay, natapos na ang isa natin. So, next one. So, katulad nito, pwede kang magpa-customize kung ang pangalan mo or ang tawag dito, ang nickname, yes. Palayaw, nickname mo ay 4 letters lang. So, pwede ka magpa-customize naman. So, this one says Girl Boss. So, yan. Ganyan. Mahirap palang mag-video nito na nasa likod ka nung So, yan. Kailangang mahabang iyong kamay. So, this one is cute. So, ganyan lang siya. Cutie. Maganda rin ang ano nito yung tinta. The ink on this one is really nice. Yeah. So, if you want yung ballpen mo is very unique from others. Different from others. So, maganda siya. Lalo na ikaw ay kung ang trabaho mga nasa opisina, mga ganon, required ng mga maraming sulatan, o kaya ang mga trabaho mo ay teacher. Basta yung mga laging madalas gumagamit ng mga pen. So, this is really nice. Kasi, stylish. And, at the same time, unique. So, yan. Jane ang pangalan. Jane. And Jane ay 4 letters lang. So, pwede siyang i-customize. O kaya ay, let's say, Bob. So, 3 letters lang yun. Pag ano. So, pwede rin siyang i-customize. So, ito naman, Mama, need coffee. So, kung ikaw ay mahilig sa mga kape, so, this is for you. So, katulad nito, pwede mo rin siyang partneran ng nagpagawa ka ng keychain na same ang sinasabi. Let's say, ganito. So, if you're a wife, mom, boss, you're a boss, pwede kang may keychain din. I-pair mo siya dito. So, maganda rin siyang ganun. So, yan. So, pili na kayo ng ng pen. Leave a comment in the comment section kung ano ang mga nagustuhan nyong design. At pwede nga pala kayo guys umorder. You can order this through my online store, which is I have an account sa Poshmark, on Poshmark, and then ang name ko doon is Dex, DECKS 16. And then sa Bented, Candex 18, CANDEX 18. And then look at this, 3 letters, like let's say nickname mo, pangalan mo Jasmine, so your nickname is Jazz, so you can just make it like this. So personalize yung pen mo. Hindi siya pwedeng nakawin. Wow, nakawin agad. So, I mean, pag na lost mo, pag napulot ng iba, you know na pen mo yon, right? Kasi, may pangalan mo. Diba? Ito, ang cute din ito. Very lang. Simple but cute. Okay. And then, yeah, I have another one on Offer Up under the name of Candy. So, yeah, if you guys have an account on those ano ba tawag doon? Online store platform. I don't know kung ano bang tawag doon. So yeah, so you can search me on that one, on those store, and then yeah, you can order from there. So this one is cutie then. Oh, I like the color combination on this one. Very neat, very girly, right? So yeah, you guys can, and ito pwede nyo rin tong ibigay as a gift kung may mga gusto kayong bigyan. Of course, gift na eh, so bibigyan. Diba? Ang gulo rin eh. So yan, ay ang cute din ito, diba? It's a good color combination, very naturey. Naturey. Okay, so we almost done here, right? We almost done here, and then I'll show you guys different thing what I'm doing, or you know, kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. Let's say, pero mahirap kasi mag-video, no? Hindi naman siya basta-basta. I'm telling you guys, na easy. Laro na yung pest lock mo eh. Kaya dito na lang tayo behind the camera. Mahirap siya kasi kailangang mahaba ang kamay mo. Pero, it's more easier because hindi mo kailangang pakita ang iyong pest lock. Lalo na ngayon, pumapayat na naman tayo. So, I don't like it. So, yep. So, we're done. Boss. This is nice too. So, if you're a boss, you should buy this now because, so it means that's yours. So, if they said, oh, that's boss pen. Okay? So, nobody gonna touch it. Nobody gonna touch it because that's only for boss. That's a boss pen. Right? Okay? So, yun lang guys. See ya later. See you. Hindi naman ako nagpakita in this video eh. So, still, see you guys later. Or on our next video. Okay? On my next video pala. Mag-isa lang pala ako. Okay guys. Thank you so much. Ang gulo ko. Hindi na naman ako na kumain. Kaya magulo. Sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoy what you watch. Bye-bye. Oh, there's one more. Oh, there's two more. Two more here. Sorry. I found two more. Okay. La 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 la. So, yeah. Let's pack these two more. Ang gulo na ate. Diba? Cute. Cute. Yay! All done. Okay. Leave a comment guys kung alin ang nagustuhan nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ba ang customized pen na ito. Okay. Bye-bye!